HD Scalp Analyzer. Inspect scalp condition. Position the handle on the scalp and capture photos. Analyze the scalp skin type based on the photos. Hydro cleanses dandruff and excessive sebum. Settings. Time, 5 minutes. Bottle selection, Bottle A. Water flow, moderate. Set the suction intensity based on the individual's tolerance. Move the handle across the entire head, starting from the nape. Pre-wetting. Wet the hair with warm water. Hair scalp cleansing. Apply shampoo to your scalp and cleanse your scalp. Rinse the hair with warm water and dry. High frequency provides anti-inflammatory effects and sterilization. Tip selection, comb. Energy level, adjust by rotating the tail part. Move the handle across the entire head, starting from the nape. Spray gun, hydrates and moisturizes. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Pairing product, mix essence and purified water, 1:10 ratio. Move in circular motions, starting from the nape. Dry the hair. Bionic LED brush operation, activate hair follicles and promote scalp metabolism. Settings. Mode, EMS. Duration, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Apply essence to the scalp. Move the handle across the entire head, starting from the nape. Apply conditioner, nourishes hair and enhances nutrient supply. Apply conditioner to the scalp. Wait for 5 minutes, then wash and dry the hair.